This is an adjustable offset bend. An adjustable offset bend is a fitting that is to overcome obstacles when using the 65mm square downpipe system, and if you have a very short offset also from the outlet, something like that, or if you wanted to like position the 65mm square downpipe to the drain or so, something like that. And this one is made by Flowplast, as you can see. So you see the writing on the bottom half, and then also see the writing on the top half on the socket. You see right there. And this is a two-part fitting, something like that. And also to use this fitting is the fact that you see the guide marks also. So you've got the lines and the writing, and it says for required offset, cut where shown. So basically it's to cut the fitting is you need to cut where the lines are, and also you see the distances right there. So I'm going to take the bottom half off from the top half, and you can see the distancing, also the measurements. So the minimum is 25mm and the maximum is 65mm, something like that. For example, if I wanted to cut it to 45mm, you just need to cut it right there. See right there, 45mm. All you need is to use a hacksaw. So you cut this section off right there, and then sand it down with sandpaper, and then and if you want to, you can apply solvent cement, like using solvent cement to bond the fitting, something like that. So you apply solvent cement on this half, and also inside of this other half, like that, as you can see right there. So just apply solvent cement there, there, there and there in the bottom half, and also around the top half where you cut, you just apply solvent cement there, there, there and there, and then push the halves together and then let it dry for about a couple of minutes or so, and then job done, something like that. And this is made by Flowplast, as you can see. So the product code is RBS5. So you see that on that half, and also on the other half as well. Flowplast RBS5. Yeah, it's a very unique fitting, and this can fit onto the running outlet. So I've got a running outlet right here. So a running outlet is a fitting that fits onto the gutter system, connected to the downpipe. So I'm just going to slot the adjustable offset bend onto the running outlet. So I think it slots perfectly, just like that. Yeah, which is pretty nice, really. And there you go, you've got like an offset, like a short offset that is adjustable to meet your requirements also, and it's used primarily with the square downpipe and the square gutter system also, something like that. And also you can change the direction if you want to, something like that, but you need to take it apart and then change the direction like that, because this is square fitting, so you can't rotate square, you can only rotate round or so, something like that. Nice offset or something like that.